Hello guys, welcome to gabyson.com, and today we'll be learning some few ways of creating a website. Okay, so we're going to learn how to create a web page. And before we get started, what are some of the things that we are required to know first before we are able to create a web page? First of the thing is that what we have to learn, we have to understand what is HTML. Okay, you have to understand what is HTML. So HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. So it is a standard markup language for creating web pages. When we talk of web pages, they are simply something like this. Okay, something just beautiful like this one, something very beautiful like this one. So you after this course, you'll be able to do something very amazing like this one. Okay, so what does HTML? So what is HTML stand for? So HTML simply stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, it stands for hypertext markup language. And HTML describes the structure of web page using markup, right? That means that whenever you log into a Facebook account, the structure of that Facebook page is what is we use HTML to design that. Okay, HTML elements are the building block of HTML pages. So HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. We are going to see all this practically when we start learning coding. Okay, so don't bother much about what are the building blocks and what are the elements. So we're going to see all this in place once we start coding. Okay, HTML elements are represented by tags. Okay, so even though still don't bother about the tags, I'm going to explain this in the next video. HTML tags labels pieces of content such as headings, paragraph, tags, and so on. Okay, so the tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, tables, and so on. So browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. Okay, so let's just look at something, just one simple example here. So if you look at here, if you go behind, this is what actually happens behind the page. You see, you look at this beautiful page here. This is how this is what exactly how it is being put in place. So all this one here we use HTML and CSS. So we're going to always start with the HTML and then we'll go to CSS afterwards. Okay, now what do you need, right? What you need before you're taking up this course. First thing, you have to have a text editor. A text editor such as Notepad. Notepad is something you are going to see. It comes automatically with Windows operating system. You have Sublime, right? Sublime text, also Sublime text 3. Yeah, in the next video I'm going to show you how to download and install this Notepad, Sublime, and Notepad++. Okay, what are the browser you need? You will definitely have to need either Google Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, and then we have Safari and Opera Mini. So any of these browser are definitely going to be fine. You can use them. But in this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome, so it's also advisable for you to download Google Chrome and install into your machine before we start up the tutorials. Okay, not to make this video so too long, I'm going to end here. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is youtube.com/Gabriel Ngong. Definitely you are going to be on go direct to my channel. Next video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.